One vaccinated person among the 12 COVID-19 related deaths. Health Minister Nicholas Steele indicated that it was a lone elderly female in her 90s. The minister also highlighted the number of persons presently hospitalized.
One, and that was a 97-year-old female. 29 patients in total. 7 are critical. 2 of those 7 is a very bad prognosis.
A press statement from the Government Information Service stated that most of the COVID-19 deaths were unvaccinated people. However, it provided no breakdown on how many persons who died were vaccinated. 7 more COVID-related deaths were announced in the past 24 hours, which brings the total number to 12 since the start of the pandemic in Grenada in March 2020. Minister Steele explained that it can be ruled a COVID death even without a postmortem.
The same way when somebody is run over by a vehicle or knocked down by a vehicle, you don't need to have an autopsy to prove that it was because of the vehicle or death that they died. That the body from the trauma of the vehicular accident or the body from the trauma of COVID-19 succumbs, and its weakest spot eventually becomes its failure spot. So yes, that is why with COVID-19, the information known worldwide, it is not necessary to go all the way to an autopsy, because you know that this is what has caused the trauma to result in whatever part of the body failing to cause hospitalization.
The deceased, all of whom had comorbidities, were confirmed cases of COVID-19, ranging in age from 26 to 85 years. The Ministry of Health has also confirmed that 5 of the deaths were among patients admitted to the General Hospital, with 1 death at the Princess Alice Hospital, the 7th person dying at home. Data provided by the Ministry of Health indicates that 4 of the deceased are females and 3 males. 4 of the deceased were residents of St. George, while the remaining 3 were from St. Andrew. The Ministry of Health continues to encourage Grenadians to get vaccinated, as this reduces the risk of severe diseases, hospitalization, and death attributed to COVID-19. They are also encouraging the population to follow the recommended COVID-19 protocols to safeguard themselves. Christelina John, GBN News.